First, we can copy and paste the data into StatCrunch. And we will run this as a paired t-test. Now be very careful here. The problem is saying that we're looking at the differences between these two groups, and the difference that we're going to calculate is new minus old. So the new is first, which means we have to choose the new first in our data, then old second. I like to save the differences. And we are using a not equal to, so just trying to show a difference between these two measurements. So you'll see when we do the differences, it'll subtract new minus old and put the differences right next to it. And here is our information we need, our test statistic, t, and our p-value. So we can type those things in, report our test statistic to 3 decimal places. So that would be 4.914. And our p-value, usually we put at least 4, which gives us all 4, 0.0044. And our alpha is 0.005, our level of significance. So it looks like this is less than alpha. So since our p-value is less than alpha, we will reject the null hypothesis. What does that mean? Is there sufficient evidence to show that the alternative is true? And our alternative is the fact that there is a difference between the new and old scores. So reading these, there's sufficient evidence to warrant rejection that the claim of the mean difference is not equal to 0. Well, we're rejecting the null hypothesis, which means that they are equal to 0. So this is not correct. There is not sufficient evidence to warrant rejection of the claim that the mean difference of the post-test from pre-test is not equal to 0. Well, this is saying we don't have enough evidence. Remember, a small p-value is we do have enough evidence. The sample data support the claim that the mean difference of post-test from pre-test is not equal to 0. So that sounds good right there because we have enough evidence to support the fact that they're different from each other. And this one says there is not enough evidence again. So this one would be our answer right here.